What is the Love March movement? A statement by Dr. Daniel Thomas. The Love March movement is a Christian, non-governmental organization for Jamaican youth. The movement exercises its spiritual leadership through a mission to promote sexual purity and the family in Jamaica. The group meets its mission through advocacy, ministry, and training. In terms of advocacy, the movement accepts interviews in mainstream media around the topics of sexual purity and the family. The group has been very successful in this regard, as it has seen more than 100 of its articles published in newspapers, and it has presented papers to the Jamaican Parliament on 4 occasions. Additionally, the movement has hosted several protests standing for the truth concerning sexual purity and the family. Finally, the movement has launched several social media campaigns and street-side immersives where their audience can feel completely involved in their work. In terms of ministry, the Love March movement shares its message with schools, churches, and camps. It offers information and encouragement around its 2 topics of sharing the grace and truth of the Word of God. Recently, in terms of training, the Love March movement launched its first G. William Gordon initiative. This initiative is aimed at raising up young adults who will be able to apply the biblical worldview in the marketplace. Beyond this, the movement has launched campaigns and hosted events that cover topics such as human trafficking, child sexual abuse, election media campaigns, and youth involvement in national life.